Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book a cab in Bangalore. So let's get into the video. So you can use any of the cab apps for a booking. So for example, I'll just use the popular ones like Uber. So in this video I'll just use Uber for the demo. So open up Uber and then create an account. If you don't have an account, you can just create one. You just need your personal details and a phone number to create an account. And once you're done with that, so once you have created your account, so here on your Uber app here, so what you're going to simply click on under rights, click on where do you want to go. So for example here under the, you can select the pickup location, so that can be anything. So just type in your pickup location. Okay, so once you have typed in your pickup location and then your drop-off location as well, so just type in any. So once you have typed in your drop-off location, so this will generate and populate the different types of cabs available with their rates for you. So what you're going to do, you're going to simply choose the one that best suits you, and then underneath you'll see a cash option here. That's the payment option. You can choose however you want to pay. So if you click on that arrow here, so you'll have the different payment methods here. If you feel cash is easier for you, so you can simply choose cash. I will just use cash, so I'll just leave it as it is. So click on cash. That's it, and then all you have to do is simply select any option that suits you, and then hit on confirm Uber Go, and that's it. So this will now look for some drivers until someone picks up, and then once someone picks up, and then that's it, your ride. You just have to wait for your driver or the cab to arrive, and once that's done, and that's it, all you have to do is just complete your ride, and then you can just pay them with cash if you have selected payment option as cash. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy to book using Uber. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.